Hello and welcome to Guytronix. This is an unboxing vid of a Guytronix Gilmore Jr kit. This kit is without chassis because I'm going to source a cheap used solid state combo to build the amp into. So let's crack it open and take a look inside. First thing we've got is some caps and resistors. And next we've got some strings, which was a gift from Guytronix, and I appreciate that very much. Next we have electrolytic caps and diodes. It's marked, please observe polarity. There are 3 caps and 2 diodes in there, and it's in the instructions, it lets you know about the polarity. Got hookup wire, heat shrink tubing, zip ties, AC cable. Next will be the input transformer, which is a custom-made transformer, custom-made by Mercury Magnetics for the Gilmore Jr. And the output transformer, again custom-made for the Gilmore Jr. by Mercury Magnetics. There's the turret board with the lugs installed and the holes pre-drilled. And tubes, sockets, indicator lamp. Next is a bag with the jacks, sockets, switches, knobs, and the fuse holder. And there is a CD with manual. It's a 29-page manual with detailed assembly instructions, wiring diagrams, a schematic. Here's a look at everything. That's again without the chassis. For more info, go to Guytronix.com.